I'm Charlie Cheever, co-founder of Expo. You know, the original idea of Expo has always been like, how can we just help people who have a vision of something they want to make come to life? When you're making an app, it's just a really big deal to get something happening on your phone. But when you think about making a piece of software that's really going to come to life and have, you know, a bunch of users and be, you know, a sustainable piece of production software, it's a lot of times about tying all these things together. How do I get onto your phone? How do I get into the next phone? How do I get this out to 1 million users? How do I get a new update out to 1 million users? One of the first sort of magical moment of Expo, I think, is just like taking that process that would often take hours or be impossible for people who don't have the right computer or the right equipment, whatever, and bring that down to, you know, minutes or seconds. Part of it is you can go faster. And so you're gonna try this idea and you're gonna try that idea and you're gonna try that. And the net is that like you're gonna have a much better chosen product direction. You're gonna get further with it. And you're gonna have extra time to go do all that polish. The biggest thing with Expo compared to anything else out there is just that it moves up your timeline on so many things. You know, we're seeing the next phase of this where people who have an idea of what they want, they have some taste, they have some grit and persistence and vision, but maybe they don't even have programming skills at all. They're able to use, you know, AI tools in conjunction with Expo. And once writing the code goes from being a 100-hour exercise to a 15-minute exercise. In the Expo ecosystem, that means not just writing code and not just making a front end, but like when you go say, hey, Claude, like, how do I give this app to Nico? It has an answer for you and can just do it for you. I think is actually a really important piece of the puzzle. I think it's just like there's so many great things being built and so many awesome tools being built for developers and creators. Just making them all work together is pretty much the next step in the whole process of making this, you know, dream of a world where like people can just imagine something and it comes to life.